In this video, I'll show you how to make your app icons bigger on your iPhone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, go to your home screen. Press and hold an empty area until the apps start to jiggle. Next, tap Edit in the top left corner. Then tap Customize. You'll now see different customization options. At the top, tap the Large Icons option. Your app icons will instantly become larger, and the app names underneath the icons will be removed to give them a cleaner look. If you want a specific app to be even bigger, press and hold that app icon. If the app supports widgets, choose the larger widget size. This will turn the app into a widget, making it much larger and easier to access. Keep in mind that widgets take up more space on your home screen, so you may not be able to fit as many apps on one page. That's all there is to it. You can switch back to the default icon size anytime by opening the Customize menu again and selecting Small Icons. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.